Assalamu alaikum dear students. We have completed the lesson Dark they were and golden eyed. Today we will do the exercise of this lesson. Okay, just see on page number 23 the meanings of difficult words have been given to you. You have to learn the meanings of these difficult words, and also you have to learn the synonyms of these words, right? You will also see the synonyms of these words. Exercise: choose the correct answer. Number 1. The man felt his hair flutter and the tissues of his body draw tight as if he were yes, sick, happy, feeling sad, or standing at the center of a vacuum. Yes, as if he were standing at the center of a vacuum. Right? So what's the answer? Standing at the center of a vacuum. At any moment the Martian air might, yes, bring relief, kill him, draw his soul from him, become pleasant. At any moment the Martian air might draw his soul from him. Who is this man? Mr. Bittling, right? And Mr. Bittling was feeling so. What did they see on the Martian hills? What did they see? The old cities, flower birds, stream of fresh water, a deep valley. Yes, the old cities, yes. 4. What did they do after building a cottage? Yes, what did they do? Decorated it, furnished it, ate good breakfast, arranged a feast. Yes, what's the answer? They ate good breakfast, right? What was the news Laura told to her parents? Yes, what was the news? The war on the earth, the death of the people, the arrival of a rocket, the fall of a rocket. Yes, what was the news? The war on the earth, right? Which one of the cities was attacked? Yes, which city was attacked? Texas, Virginia, New Jersey, New York. Yes, New York. What did they feel on Mars after the attack on the earth? What were their feelings? They were drenched, stranded, secluded, surrendered. Yes, stranded. Yes, what's the answer? Stranded. Stranded means in a difficult position. They were feeling difficulty. What were the men doing in town on the shadowy step of the grocery store? Yes, quarreling, playing, buying the grocery, conversing with great leisure and ease. Yes, what were they doing? Conversing with great leisure and ease. Yes. How many dollars did he demand to sell the metal? Yes, how many dollars he demanded? How many dollars he demanded? 200, 400, 300, 500. Yes, $500. In which season did Mr. Bittling stand very golden-eyed? Yes, which season it was? Winter, summer, autumn, spring. Yes, which season was? Autumn. Right. See the true and false. The rocket metal burned in the meadow winds. Just check yourself how much you have understood the lesson. The rocket metal burned in the meadow winds. It is false. Number second, he felt submerged in a chemical that could enhance his intellect. Yes. False. This statement is false. He felt like a salt crystal in a mountain stream. Yes, this is true. All the space rockets flew up. Yes, this is true. He was drenched in the hotness of this fire. Yes, yes, it is true. Harry suggested to build a rocket. Yes, this is also true. Man helped Harry in building rocket. In building a rocket. This is false. They were laughing at him. Harry's daughter wove tapestries. Yes, this statement is true. Harry seemed almost as young as his eldest son. Yes, this statement is true. 6 years later, a rocket fell out of the sky. False. 5 years later, a rocket fell out of the sky. So that's why it is false. Yes, answer of the following questions. So, you have to answer these questions. Just recall the comprehension what you have studied, or you can find the answers from your text. Text lines are very important. You know that. From the point of view of translation, from the point of view of MCQs, synonyms, and also short questions. And you also have to focus on punctuation, you know that. So why did Harry want to go back to the earth? What was the reason? You know, Harry wanted to go back to the earth because the atmosphere of the Mars was very severe. He thought that his family could not bear that climate, that atmosphere. And definitely he thought that they would change into Martians if they lived there. And he loved the earth and all the things, so he wanted to go back to the earth. Why did he want to stay? Why did Harry want to stay? Yes, in the end, he made his mind to stay there. And what was the reason? Because he found that there is no reason left to go back to the earth. So for him, there was no reason to go back to the earth. So there was none at all. So he thought that they would go to the they would not go to the earth, and they will stay on the planet Mars, because you know that they change completely. Their atmosphere, their environment, and their body, all the things have been changed completely. So Harry thought that they would not go back to the earth, they would stay there on the Mars, because now they have adapted to the climate, according to the climate of the Mars. So they totally adapted themselves in that climate, in that atmosphere of the Mars. So they decided, or Harry decided, that they would stay there on the Mars. What climate did they face there? The climate that they faced there was very severe. You know, the wind was hot, and at night there was fog. The atmosphere was very severe, and mostly the summer burned everything there. This severe climate made up the mind of Harry that they should go back to the earth. But at the end he changed his mind because they adapted the atmosphere, they adapted all the they adapted to the changes, all the changes of the Mars. Yes. What was the condition of Mr. Bitling's family on hearing the news of the war on Earth? Yes, what was the condition? When they heard the news of the war on the Earth, they became shocked and confused at the same time. Laura began to weep, and the mother held on to her husband and her daughter. Harry was also very fearful. Sweat poured out from his face, hands and body. What did they want to grow? Yes, they wanted to grow peach trees, onions. They wanted to grow peach trees, onions, and other vegetables, but these things grew very odd and they make them frightened. What was the condition of their house? Wind had burned their house. The wind had burned their house. The fog at night had also affected that house badly. And all the boards had been wiped out, and it was not like the house of the Earth's people. What was the advice Harry gave to the people? Yes, Harry advised the people to build a rocket if they want to return to the Earth. He urged them to do so, but they were not willing to do so. How dangerous can Martian virus be? It can be very dangerous. Yes, the Martian virus can be very dangerous. It can make Earth's people dark and golden-eyed, and you know that it can make them totally change, and they become very thin and slender, and they change their thoughts also. Their mind become totally changed. Their minds become totally changed. Okay. Now the long questions, but you will see these questions from the point of view of 2 to 3 marks question answers, right? What circumstances did the Mr. Bitling's family face there? What circumstances we have already discussed. How was the atmosphere, right? How social were the people of Mars? Yes, they were very friendly and peaceful. They talked to each other in a very friendly way, and they learned English fast. This was all about Martian people. The Earth people commented. How did the life change finally? Was this better or worse? Yes, how did the life change? You know that their life changed totally at the end. They changed physically because their eyes became golden, and They became black, slender, young people. Their behavior also changed. They became friendly and peaceful, and they were happy with their life in the end. Write the story in your own words. You will write this story in your own words. Right? What differences can you point out in the lifestyle of the people of the two different planets? Yes, you have to compare the best and worst qualities of Earth and Mars people, or both the planets. You have to compare both the planets, the atmosphere, the environment. You have to compare, right? Use the correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. You have to use the correct forms of verb. So as this is the short story, you have to use past tense here. So definitely you will change the first form into past. Change first form into second form, means past tense. Okay. The man felt his hair flutter. Feel, second form of feel is felt. They see the old cities. They saw the old cities. Second form of see. They look at the children. Looked. Second form. Laura stumbled through the settlement. Stumbled. Laura stumbled through the settlement. He drenched. Second form of drench. He drenched in the hotness of his fare. All the boards webbed out of the shape. Harry moved into the metal shop. His wife appeared. Second form of appear. Appeared. The sons played songs on the ancient flutes. They turned their backs to the valley. Now the next question. Punctuate the following lines. You have to punctuate these lines. So first letter will be capital. The T will be capital. The town's empty. So here apostrophe will be there after town. The town is empty, basically. The town's empty. But we found native life in the hills. Here comma will be there. Sir. After sir you will put full stop. Dark people. D will be capital. After people full stop. Yellow eyes. Yellow. Y will be capital. After eyes you will put full stop. Martians. M will be capital and you will put full stop after Martians. Very friendly. V will be capital. After friendly you will put full stop. We talked a bit. W will be capital. W will be capital. A bit. After a bit you will put comma. Not much. After much you will put full stop. They, T will be capital. They learn English fast. English, E will be capital. Proper noun is there. After fast you will put full stop, right? And you know that this is all about conversation, so you can put this conversation into inverted commas, because these are the dialogues that someone is giving description about the Martian people, right? So this is all about the exercise of this lesson. You will prepare it fine, and you will also mark attendance. Link has been provided to you. Just mark your attendance there. It is compulsory, you know. Okay, take care. Till that time, Allah Hafiz. Till that time, we study the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.